Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. As you know, we are following here a couple of wave counts for Bitcoin because the market is quite indecisive. It's quite uncertain at the moment, so it's best to be open to different possibilities until we have a more confirmed wave count, a more confirmed picture for Bitcoin and a clearly defined trend. For me at the moment, the trend is still down though, but here we also need to acknowledge that we have been in a range now for many weeks, and it's getting quite draining, it's getting quite boring. There has been a bit of a drop today. You know, from yesterday we obviously lost the 20k level, we then dropped below key support. Now we are still holding that 19,200 19,250 level that I talked about. So generally this is still possible, what you see here on the chart, that but I'm going to show you another idea and what to look out for. But the idea is still that we have here a 5-wave move to the downside. As per this count, we could say we've got 3 waves complete, and then here the 4th wave is still ongoing in an A, B, C, and the 5th wave is going to come down after wave 4 has been made. But equally possible as well is that wave 4 is already in. Today's drop makes that a little bit more likely, because if I let me just take that out. If we say that here wave Y actually ended here, and I'm just going to play around a bit. You just need to know that there are still different possibilities, but one possibility I am definitely observing here is this one, that I say we had wave Y already finished here. That means wave 4 also finished. We talked about that possibility before because it retraced. Basically this retracement here was perfectly to the 50% FIB retracement, and we came down after that. And it is very much possible that what we are seeing here is already the 5th wave, in that we have seen to the downside a wave A. This here is a wave B, which, the wave B already done basically, and the wave C is now unfolding to the downside. There is absolutely possible that we are already coming down here in wave C now. That would be further confirmed if we drop below. First of all, 19,200 is still quite a relevant area, but then also here the wave B low at 18,950 will be very good confirmation that we're heading down here in a wave C. And as per this count, this wave C could end the bear market. Okay, that would be in line with the Ethereum count, where we're also expecting one more low, and Bitcoin could put its low in and they could rally afterwards. Now that is too early to confirm that, but it is definitely something that the market is capable of. We're not looking at fundamentals here. As you know, fundamentals are not really suitable to give us any price targets or anything. And in addition to that, markets are forward looking as well. So just because we're entering a recession doesn't mean that the markets couldn't recover, at least for a year-end rally. So we need to keep that possibility in mind, treat it seriously. So that's something that we need to have on the radar here. If on the other hand we are now pushing higher above the wave B high, which is at 19,600, then I think it will trigger some upside, and we then have to assume that maybe we still get that wave Y rally, which was before here, you know, get that wave Y rally into the region of maybe 21k. On the other chart, as you know, we're following here a couple of different possibilities and counts. Similar picture. This is just a chart that is counted a bit different, and where we, instead of having wave 3 already done, we are still in the wave 3. The difference to the previous chart is that there will still be a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 coming after that. Here as well, as long as we are above the 19,200 level, short-term upside still possible. This could still already have been the wave 2, and we are coming down in wave 3. That would be the direct sell-off scenario as well. But again, until we until we break below 19,200, upside potential is still very much there. Even below that it wouldn't get invalidated, but most imminent upside potential would get invalidated below 18,930, and then let's say even clearer will be the 18,450 level. But conclusion remains here, Bitcoin is uncertain. There is downside pressure anyway on it, so the target is down. You know, how we get there, this isn't always clear. There is always going to be short-term up and down, and sometimes unpredictable movements. But the point is, this doesn't change the roadmap. The trend is still down. We're heading still down, and this could already be the third wave down, which, to be fair, would be a little bit, in this scenario, a little bit in line with the ADA count. If you've watched the ADA video, we also talked about here a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and we could now be coming down in a third wave. Yeah, and it's my update about Bitcoin. So need more patience here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.